Hi, this is Alexander Nikitin, and let me scan the market with MPS5 pattern recognition software. Okay, the first is 1 hour euro dollar. We have a shark pattern. Let me see if it is an obvious one. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it is a shark pattern that is supported by 5. So 60-minute euro USD and 5 of 5 shark pattern. You should also keep in mind that if price didn't reverse at 886, it can go and reverse at 113, even higher. And I suppose that today we will have that alternative reversal at 113, and it is complemented by 222 area. So I would rather look at this selling area. And guys, of course we can buy it from here, from this first shark level, if it retests that. To the upside we have 43 pips, pretty good segment to buy it from here to here. Okay, so wait for price to test that broken resistance, and then we'll see if it can reach the higher level. Euro dollar shark 5 of 5. Dollar yen, I see nothing here. You can see it as well, straight line. Well, what is this? This is also potentially it is nothing. Yes, euro yen shark pattern exceeded that C point, so it is invalidated for me. Oh, this nice deep crab pattern, and it is 2 of 5. Well, okay, let me edit. It is euro yen JPY 2 of 5 deep crab pattern. I will then choose the best from my watch list, so it doesn't actually matter. Aussie dollar, nothing. Yes. Pound yen, obviously we have nothing. So dollar Canadian, oh, shark pattern completed. Let's go check this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at this large candle. This is a warning sign that price may break this resistance level, but then we have, after testing all the levels of potential reversal zone, by the way they are here, the level is going to 618. okay, so it will most likely be an alternative shark. So it will most likely be this one, because 618 goes much deeper. It does not complement the 886 completion, this one, yes. It complements the 113 completion. So in this case we only have an alternative shark possibility that is slightly lower, and I would agree with a lower entry because of this large candle. Price is now consolidating. We will most likely have another leg to the downside, another break to the downside before we provide some reversal. Okay, so I am to type it USD Canadian 5 of 5, pretty good shark, alternative entry at 113. New Zealand dollar, wow, wonderful shark pattern, and the same thing here, I suppose. 113 goes to, yes, 113 goes to 618. Sorry, 618 goes to 113, and it should be an alternative shark here as well. So you see how it complements that. 618 complements the 113. Okay, stochastic, RSI, 505, alternative shark. What is it? NZD, USD, 505. So we have plenty of 505s here. Just we'll take the ones that are closer to completion. Okay, what is this? Pound Aussie. Or maybe just take those that have smaller spread. For example, Euro dollar has much smaller spread than Pound Aussie. So a Gartley 1, nope, nope, nope. Just thinking. 2, 3. They draw it from different place. Okay, 4, 4 or 5. A bullish Gartley, bearish is not 4 or 5. Okay, this is GBP AUD 4 or 5 Gartley pattern, and of course the best one is this. This one is the most correct because it considers this spike to the upside. We should draw our patterns from spiking, and other algorithms cannot notice this spike. Other algorithms are skipping this spike, considering this as noise, but with harmonic patterns we should pay attention to them. That's why this one is the most correct way of drawing. Okay, and well, basically the structure, the M-type structure, is recognizable by 4 or 5 algorithms. That's why I just type it in my list. Nothing here. Euro Aussie, I don't think we have anything here. Then let's go Aussie Yen. Potential baht 3 or 5, but very far from completion. It doesn't matter, it makes no change. It is a baht 3 or 5. Euro Canadian. Potential butterfly 3 or 5, also very far from completion. But let me type it. Euro Canadian 3 or 5. Pound Canadian. Nothing. Here, potential baht. Okay, 3, 4, 4. New Zealand yen 4 or 5. Well, we have plenty of setups on 1 hour. Makes no sense to scan 30 minutes because we already have setups. Okay, shark pattern here based on this stochastic algorithm. Also shark pattern based on RSI, commodity channel, and WPR. New Zealand, Euro New Zealand. We already had this trade. Let me check what we have here. It is 50. Okay, 50% level. And also, guys, let me show you something that is called the 5-0 pattern. If you draw it this way, the channel properties, disable ray. Okay, so I just measured this leg, and then I go to project this leg from here, and the distance between 50 and this leg, this is called an alternative ABCD pattern, is the 5-0 pattern. Oh, sorry, I just put the cell. Is the 5-0 pattern. So wait for price to hit the last level to install the terminal price bar and immediately reverse. And after that you have all this distance to go to the upside. 115 pips. So just test this high. This is the 5-0 pattern. And let me keep it in mind. So what is the validity? 1, yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of 5. It is Euro NZD 4 of 5. Every shark pattern provides this possibility. After the shark pattern works and it goes to hit 50, we have a possibility to buy it. Every shark pattern provides that. Every shark pattern continues as a 5-0 pattern. The 5-0 is actually 50%. It is the buying possibility at 50%. Okay, Euro New Zealand 4 of 5. Well, that's it. Here's the list. Euro dollar 5 of 5, dollar Canadian 5 of 5, New Zealand dollar 5 of 5, pound Aussie 4 of 5, Aussie yen 3 of 5, Canada 3 of 5, New Zealand yen 4 of 5, and Euro New Zealand 4 of 5. Okay, New Zealand yen and Aussie yen, they are bad patterns, very far from completion. Majority of patterns are shark patterns. New Zealand dollar and dollar Canadian are those that will complete at 113. Most likely, at least I want them to go to 113. So what is left? The pound Aussie, GBP AUD. This is this godly pattern, also very far from completion. Euro Canadian. So it is also very far from completion. Euro New Zealand, then it is near the completion. Okay, the one that we have on our radar right now is the Euro dollar. It is the one that is closest. So I'll trade that Euro New Zealand, and I will pay attention to Euro. Sorry, I will trade that Euro dollar, and then I will pay attention to this Euro New Zealand 5-0. And guys, if we have something that will complete here, then if something completes earlier than this Euro New Zealand or Euro dollar, then of course I will trade them as well. Okay, hope you like this video, and hope you will find it useful.